students, welcome back once again to the maths class. In this class, we are going to discuss the remaining problems of exercise 6.3 of the linear equations in two variables, chapter 9 of class 9, chapter 6 of class 9, right? We were discussing this chapters in 6 previous video lessons. So if you have not watched them, please click on the playlist first of the channel, then go to that particular video and observe it, right? The immediate previous video, that is the before problems, before the fifth one, that is third and fourth problem, just click on the iCard there. Now here I have noted down the fifth problem. Draw the graph of the equation 2x. So here this is 2x plus 3y equals to 12. Find the solutions from the graph here. So we should find the solutions from the graph only, not by substituting the values. Here, whose y coordinate is 3, whose x coordinate is minus 3. Okay. Here given y coordinate, x coordinate. We have to find the other x and other y coordinates. Okay. That means we need to find the solutions of the graph. Okay. From the graph itself, not by mere substitution. Here for plotting this graph, I have drawn the coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis, and for that first we need to write the tabular column. Right, let's start with this 2x plus 3y equals to 12. I have to get into y. So let me keep this 3y to this side and 2x minus 2x plus 12. So y to this side, so 3 if you shift there, minus 2 by 3x plus 12 by 3, nothing but 4. Right. So this is the y1. For this we will plot the graph. For that we will write the tabular column, x values, y value. So y is our minus 2 by 3x plus 4. So the point is x comma y. We will substitute by keeping the value of x0 and the value of y0. That makes our work simpler, or else you can also take x value is 1 minus 1, y value is 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, anyways. Okay. Now let's start with 0. If x value is 0, if I substitute 0 here, 2 by 3 into 0, this comes to 0. So y is 4. So 0 comma 4 is the point when x is 0. Now, let me substitute when y is 0. When y is 0, see here when y is 0, y equal to 2 by 3x, isn't it? Plus 4. So, when y is 0, minus 2 by 3x plus 4. Shift this to the constant to the other side. This becomes minus 4, minus 2 by 3x. Let us remove the negative signs both sides. So, if you cross multiply, 12 is equal to 2x and x is equal to 12 upon 2, that is 6. So when y is 0, x is 6. Right, we got 6 comma 0 as the ordered pair. This is the solutions. These are the points to be plotted to get a graph. Now we will shift over to the graph here. Here let me take the points on the positive x-axis as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is positive x-axis. Negative x-axis minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5, minus 6. So, x dash. The similar way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is y-axis. Here minus 1, minus 2, negative y-axis. So, y dash. Now these are the coordinate axes. Let us plot 0 comma 4. So in this ordered pair, 0 is the x coordinate, 4 is the y coordinate. So 0 on the x we have to see. So this is 0 comma 0 or origin, and the y is 4. So here on this. So the point always on y axis, how do we get the point? When the x coordinate is 0, we get the point on y axis, and when y coordinate is 0, we get the point on x axis, right? So this point is 0 comma 4. Now the second one is 6 comma 0. So see here 6 on x axis comma 0. So this point, right? So this is 6 comma 0. Let us join it with the help of a scale. Because this is a linear equation, so we get a straight line. Let us join. This is not any curve, right? So let me join. So extend it. Let us extend it. Here also we can extend it. There is no space here. Now here. Now we will find the solutions. We should find the solutions when whose y coordinate is 3. So we have to find the x coordinate. Okay. So the y is given as 3 here. So let me see y. So y is 3 here. When y is 3, we have to find x. So what we will do from y3, draw a line, dotted line, so that it touches the graph at some point. From that point, drop a line like this. Okay. So this point is the x coordinate. This is 1 here. See here 1.5. 1.5 is nothing but 3 by 2, isn't it? So this point is 3 by 2. And whose x coordinate is -3. So when x coordinate is -3, here -3 means this side. When it is -3, so draw a line from -3 so that it will touch the graph somewhere. Dotted lines. I am drawing the dotted lines so that it will touch. Okay. So that it is touching the graph at some point. From that graph, if you draw again dotted lines, it will touch the y coordinate. So this mine is not in the exact graph sheet, isn't it? So from x -3, draw a dotted line so that it will touch the graph at some point. From there, if you draw a line so that it is parallel to the x-axis, it will touch the y-axis at some point. This point is 6. So our y value is 6. So here y equal to 6. Here we got x equal to, x coordinate is -3 by 2. So here we will write the answers here. For the first one solution, we got the solution when y coordinate is 3, when y is 3, we got x as 3 by 2. That is 1.5 is 3 by 2. Now the second solution is when x is -3, so x is -3, and x is -3, we got 6. So these are the solutions from the graph. Okay, pause the video and note it down. Now sixth one, draw the graph of each of the equations given below. There are 4 bits here, 4 equations, and also find the coordinates of its points when the graph cuts the coordinate axis. Now we have to plot the graph, then the graph that means the straight line, wherever it cuts the y-axis and the x-axis, that point we have to mention. Coordinate axis means the x-axis and the y-axis. Now for plotting the graph, we need to, the first bit I have noted down, we need to write the tabular column. Okay, so here let me bring it into y. So -3y equals to, if you shift this, -6x plus 12. So y here, so -3 to the other side, -6 by -3x by 12 by -3. Now we will solve this 3 once, 3 twice, and plus plus, minus goes off. So this is 2x. Here minus comes up. So 4. 3 ones, 3 fours. So y equal to 2x. Y equal to 2x minus 4 and the point x comma y. Let us plot the graph. To make our work simpler, let us take x is equal to 0, y equal to 0. Okay. Here, let me take x is equal to 0. If you substitute 0 here, 0 into 2 is 0, minus 4. So y is minus 4. So 0 comma minus 4 is the point. Now when y equal to 0, let me substitute y equal to 0. See here, 2x minus 4. When y equal to 0, 2x minus 4. So 2x here, minus 4 if you get here, 4. So x is equal to 4 by 2 equals to 2. So when y equal to 0, we got x value as 2. So 2 comma 0 is the point. Here, now we will plot the graph 0 minus 4 here, and also in the previous we will be writing the scale here. Please do not forget to write the scale. I have skipped this writing the scale for the fifth problem. Okay, do write the scale here. X-axis, so 1 centimeter we will take it as 1 unit. Right, y-axis also I'll take 1 centimeter 1 unit, because the values here are simpler values, not big values. So I'm taking only 1. Now on the x-axis, let me plot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is x, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So this is x dash, 1, 2. So this is y, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Like this is y dash. Now do write the scale. For the before problem also, please include that scale. Now here 0 comma minus 4. 0 here and minus 4 on the y. So this is the point. 0 comma minus 4. Now 2 comma 0 here, 2 comma 0, that means this is the point. Here 2 comma 0 is the point. Now let's join these 2 points so that we will get the graph. So our graph is down here. So join it with the help of a scale, because it is a linear equation. We will get a straight line. So this equation you can write it as, what is the equation? 6x. 6x minus 3y equals to 12 is the equation. Right. Now here from the graph only we have to write the coordinate axis. The solution when the graph cuts the coordinate axis are the x and the y axis. The graph is cutting the x axis at 2 comma 0. That means here the answer is, write down here, graph cuts x axis at 2 comma 0, and because they asking coordinate axis, so y axis at, so it's cutting the y axis at minus 0 comma minus 4. Okay, so this is the solution. Please pause the video and note it down. Now the second bit I have noted down, minus x plus 4y equals to 8. I have also drawn the coordinate axis and mentioned the scale. We are taking the scale throughout as 1 centimeter for 1 unit only, in the x as well as in the y axis. Now to plot the graph, let me draw the tabular column. For before going to the tabular column, for y equals to, let me shift this x plus 8 here, y equals to x by 4 plus 8. So let us draw x, y equal to x by, here if it goes, yes, plus x by 4 plus 8, and x comma y is the point. The similar way we will start with x value as 0 and y value as 0. Okay, when you are taking x value 0, substitute here 0 by 4, this becomes 0, so this becomes 8. So 0 comma 8. Now next one, when y is 0, so here y is x by 4, let us substitute here. So when y is 0, x by 4 plus 8, this comes here minus 8 x by 4. So if you multiply here, if you multiply here, x is equal to 8 fourths minus 32 you get. Okay, so we got minus 32 comma 0 here. So there is a correction here. See here, when we are sending this 4 to this side, here also it should be multiplied, divided. So 4 to 8, this comes 2. 4 ones, 4 twos, 8. So the values here, again there is a correction here. So this is 2, 8 by 4. So here when you substitute x value 0, you get y value as 2, right? Do this correction. And when y is 0, here y is 0, x by 4 plus 2, so minus 2 this side, x by 4. So if you cross multiply, x is equal to minus 8. Here, see, here there is a correction that 8 by 4, that is 4 ones, 4 2, so that is 2 here. So x by 4 plus 2. So x is 0, y is 2, 0 comma 2. Then y is 0. This if you shift minus 2 this side, cross multiply 4 2. So x is minus 8. So we don't get 32 and all, we get minus 8 comma 4. Okay, so we will extend it further. We can extend it minus 6, minus 7 and minus 8 because there is minus 8 comma 4. Now here we'll plot 0 comma 2. So 0 comma 2 this point and minus 8 comma 0, minus 8 on the x comma 0 this point. So minus 8 comma 0 and 0 comma 2 on the y axis, 0 comma 2. So let's join the graph here. If you are joining it with the scale, okay, so extend it a little bit. So this graph is minus x plus 4y equals to 8. Okay, here. Now we will write this. Here the question is where the graph cuts the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis are x and y axis. Here because we will be obviously getting coordinate because we are taking x0 and y0. Okay. So when x is 0, we got the point as 2. So when graph cuts x-axis at, it is cutting x-axis at minus 8 comma 0. See here, minus 8 comma 0 and y-axis at here 0 comma 2. Okay, this point 0 comma 2, it is cutting the y-axis and x-axis it is cutting here. Please pause the video and note it down. Here a bit correction is there. Hope you have understood that correction. Okay, with this we will end the graph today. We will see the remaining problems in our next session. Thank you all.